Now the next concept in assembly making is rigid group. This rigid group logs the relative position of the selected component, and then those selected components acts as a singular component. In order to demonstrate this particular concept, we have these four components over here. This base component, this one is grounded already, and these three other components. Just for the sake of demonstration, we are going to make this assembly. Let's revert the position. Now here what is desired is that when we rotate this particular component which is in the middle, these two components should revolve around this circular slot. Now to achieve this kind of assembly, we can always provide individual joints to all these components relative to this grounded component, and then we can provide motion link in between them. But that procedure will take like 4 to 5 or even 6 to 7 steps to do so. So here comes the role of rigid group. So in these kind of situations, we can use rigid groups to make these three components as a singular component and provide respective joints and the respective motion. So let's do this and understand the concept of rigid group. Just click on Assemble toolbar followed by rigid group, and then you have to select the components. Select this middle one, this one and this one, and click on OK. Now as you can see, when I am dragging out any of the component, all the three components are moving all together. Let's revert the position. So when we provide a revolute joint between this middle component and this grounded component, these two other components that are a part of a rigid group will also have a revolve motion around this circular slot. So let's do this. Provide the joint. Shortcut for the same is J in the keyboard. Select this one, and for the grounded component, this one, and click on OK. You could have also used as-built joint if you want. So now when we rotate this, the other two components are perfectly revolving around the circular slot. So that's the beauty of rigid groups. This can be utilized in many scenarios, and it's very useful in assembly making process in Fusion 360.